It's a condominium.
Okay, and is it a condominium that you own, I'm assuming?
It is. These were built in 1973. So we are all connected.
Okay. I'm going to put this on here. Okay. And the name of the homeowners association that you're having an issue with is what?
Is it in the paperwork? Viewpoint East Condominiums. It's the one.
Please.
It's the one that's listed on the Secretary of State, which should have been provided in those documents.
Is it called a Viewpoint East? Is it called Viewpoint East Condominium?
Ma'am, you're asking me to try to remember all this? I don't have consistent. I'm going to send it to you. Ma'am, I'm going to send it to you. Do not put down, I don't remember, because it's the experience of it is you're forcing me.
I didn't put that down, ma'am. I did not put that down.
I'm going to send this to you so you can put that in there, ma'am. Why are you rushing?
I am not rushing. I'm asking simple questions.
They're simple for you. They're not simple for me. I'm going to send you this so you can have it clear so I'm not unclear with it, okay? This is like last minute stuff. And I don't have to do impulsive.
There's no time limit.
Impulsive.
There's no time limit.
Huh?
There's no time limit. I don't know what you're talking about last minute.
Well, I've got to confirm the name of the Viewpoint East condominiums because they change it at times. Do you understand now? Viewpoint East condominiums. Let me confirm the correct name, okay? Of Viewpoint East condominiums. Because then I don't have to be unclear about it. Because you weren't clear about it with the documents that you have. So let me go look for Viewpoint East condominiums, correct spelling. Point East. I hear you typing, so what are you typing, ma'am?
Ma'am, I'm working, okay?
Yeah, but you asked me for these questions, and I'm trying to answer them.
That's fine, and I type as I work.
Yeah, so I want to make sure I'm giving you correct information, Kelly, okay? According to Secretary of State, it says it's Viewpoint East condominiums. And then there's an ink behind it or something. Okay?
Okay.
Their address online says 1450 Pine Log Road, Conyers, Georgia, 30012. I've got exactly 2 minutes, so we can wrap this up in 2 minutes because I have a doctor's appointment.
It's a little bit longer than 2 minutes, but I don't want to talk fast. So I'm going to explain to you the process of what we do here, okay?
You can email it to me. You can email me to that to me, and I can better understand it that way.
Ma'am, there's more information. I will email you something, but there is additional information that I want to make sure that you get, and I will also email you an overview. So in my division of HUD, we investigate discrimination complaints, okay? The first step in this process is where you are. I am an intake assessor. My job here is to determine, can we file a complaint for you, okay?
And you're under the FHEO division.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Okay. So I don't do the final investigation. I don't make any final decisions on it, whether anyone is right or wrong. I just want to let you know that up front. I am doing a legal analysis just to determine, can we file a complaint under the Fair Housing Act? That's what we deal with. Fair Housing Act, all right?
Wait, that's too fast. That's too fast the way you said it, okay? You're doing an investigation.
No, I'm doing an intake analysis.
An intake analysis.
I'm not the investigator, right? So I am assessing this complaint that you filed about the water problem.
Okay, you're not part of the Georgia Commission on Equal Opportunity, U.S. Housing and Urban Development, are you?
That's two separate agencies, ma'am.
Okay.
Georgia Commission on Equal Opportunity is a state agency that does similar investigations. Do you have a claim with them?
I do. And
Okay.
and I'm
So then
speaking
this is
to
a duplicate.
I'm speaking to a Landa Domini, and I provided
Okay.
her with all this information on yesterday. That's why I asked you, is that the same? And you said no, it's a different agency.
It is a different agency, but they are a fair housing assistance partner. So if they are handling the case, we don't file in both places. So
Right.
I will reach out to Landa.
Right.
Okay.
That's why I said, and I sent her a bunch of documents
Okay.
on yesterday, and I said I had some more to give her. Okay.
Okay.
That's
So
why I kept saying
okay.
she's a Fair Housing Intake Officer for Georgia Commission on Equal Opportunity,
Yep.
205
Yes, I know
Jesse
who she
Hill,
is.
and her email is L Dominia of at GCEO state.
Okay.
Right. So that's why I was saying let me connect this, because
Okay.
we are doing two things.
Okay, ma'am. So if you have an inquiry with them, we would not file the inquiry with HUD, but I want to speak to the supervisor first. It appears to be a duplicate inquiry because we were not aware that there was one filed with Georgia, and that is okay.
It was referred to back from the DC back in July, and I provided Landa with that stuff, and I've been through HUD before, and HUD was just giving me the runaround, over talking me, out talking me, and that does not work. And then ultimately they didn't do nothing. This is not the first time I've been through the process. That's why I am asking questions now, and I'm asking for documentation so that I can follow with what you are saying. I don't go by verbal stuff no more, okay? Because it's just too much problems with your agency not putting an overview of everything and not putting the details as I would have said, okay? An overview does not mean that's what really happened, okay? And then send me a letter saying, oh, we investigated, it doesn't meet the criteria. And it does, okay? It does.
Okay. So you have a duplicate inquiry with Georgia.
I didn't send it to you. What I'm saying is, I did not process to you, some other agency did, and this needs to be handled. Okay. This should have been handled long time ago. Otherwise, we wouldn't be on the phone right now, Kelly. If the local,
I can only deal though with what's in front of me right now.
Well, I don't know what you have in front of you. That's why I asked you, what did you have and who did you got it from?
I have an email from my supervisor stating to reach out to you because we got a referral. We were not aware that there was a duplicate case with Georgia. So if Ms. Domney is handling the matter, I am going to report that to my supervisor, and we will likely close the case because we're not going to file.
And who is your supervisor? I need a name.
Abby Rovy.
Abby?
Abby Rovy. Yes.
Abby like ABBY, Rovy like ROBY?
Yeah.
Okay, and this is with the FHEO. Okay, got it.
Correct. So she sent an email, but there is a duplicate inquiry. So I'm going to touch base with her because you have one with Georgia, and they're asking you to provide documents, which means they are already moving forward with the processing of it. We don't process in two different places. They are our fair housing assistance partner.
Okay, and I have not spoken to her. I have not spoken to her once because I was asking her for clarification of the forms, and she has not returned any phone calls, but you did. So I want to say, Kelly, thank you for at least reaching out and having a conversation.
You're welcome. So let me touch base with my supervisor, and I will let you know how we're going to proceed, okay?
Thank you so much, Kelly. I hope you have a great day.
You too.
Bye.